Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Tezos coin. The price line of Tezos has formed two patterns, and in today's video I want to show you how these patterns can work as a chain reaction, how one pattern, after breaking out one pattern, the price line can make a very strong attempt to break out the next pattern as well. And before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this big up channel that has been formed on the daily time frame. Previously I was following this trend line, but after this big rejection the price line has changed this resistance to an up channel's resistance. Right now the price line has a valid resistance here and a valid support. We have rejection here, and we also have a rejection here and here as well, and we also have nice bounces by this support. Only after this bounce the price line, without hitting the resistance, moved down and again moved up and hit this resistance, and this was the move that has changed the pattern. And previously I was following this trend line, but right now I am following this resistance line of this new up channel. We also have a very nice support of the 50 simple moving average that is moving with the support of this up channel. You can see the price line is at the same time testing the support of the up channel and also getting bounced by the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame, and here as well, and here the price line had another bounce. Right now the price action has again moved at this support. At this time the 50 simple moving average has a very small distance from this support. For example, if the price line will be moved more down, then it can work as an additional support, and the price line can test this 50 simple moving average and it can reverse back inside this channel. Now if we dig this move deeper, this downward move, then on the small time frame it can be more visible that it is the formation of another channel, and that is the down channel. You can see the price line was moving down, and on the 4-hourly time frame, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then here the price line has formed this down channel. We have the rejections, we also have the bounces by the supports, and right now you can see that the price line is again and again trying to break out this resistance, and you can see that we have more touches at the resistance than the support. So there is a strong probability that the price line can break out the resistance rather than the support. To confirm it more, we can also place the volume profile on the complete price line moving within this channel. Then it will show you the most traded area and the interest of the traders. Up to what level we have the interest of the traders. To the downside we have the interest of the traders here, and to the upside we have the interest of the traders here, that is above the resistance. So it is indicating to the breakout. We also have the point of control of the volume profile above the breakout. Now in case of breakout, our next target can be, the first target can be approximately here at $8, and the second target can be here approximately at $9. So if the price line will be moved at $9, then on the daily time frame chart it can also reach up to this resistance of the this up channel. And for example, if it will be moved in this way, then this resistance is coming at $9.8. And in case of breakout this up channel, our next target, the imminent target after the breakout, will be, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately at $13. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.